Xiaomi 15 unveiled with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, massive 5,400 mAh battery, 50-megapixel Leica cameras. Xiaomi has officially unveiled its most extreme compact flagship yet, the Xiaomi 15. Positioned as the strongest standard edition in the brand's history, the Xiaomi 15 combines cutting-edge specs with a small, premium design. It offers improved performance, top-notch display quality, and an enhanced in-hand feel, making it a compelling option for flagship enthusiasts. The Xiaomi 15 retains a compact 6.36 inches flat OLED screen, upgraded with ultra-narrow, symmetrical bezels of just 1.38 millimeters. It boasts a 2670-1200 resolution, 1 to 120 Hz LTPO variable refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 3200 nits with full brightness DC dimming. The display features Xiaomi's Dragon Crystal glass, offering 10x better drop resistance over the Xiaomi 14. The phone's frame is made out of high-strength aluminum alloy that has 33% higher bending resistance. Naturally, the phone is rated IP68 for dust and water resistance. The device is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. It has a 45% boost in single-core and multi-core performance over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Supported by Xiaomi HyperCore and a self-developed microarchitecture scheduler, it ensures a 45.7% faster app launch response time, enhancing the overall user experience. The Xiaomi 15 operates on HyperOS 2.0, based on Android, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. It introduces various optimizations tailored for this compact flagship, including advanced thermal management and refined system performance. The Xiaomi 15's camera system, co-developed with Leica, includes 3 Summilux 50-megapixel lenses, a main light fusion 900 sensor, 113mx f1.62 OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung S5JN1 f2.2, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, Samsung S5KJN5 f.75 mAh f2.0 OIS with floating focus and 5x optical zoom. You may find more use in the 4K 30-60 frames per second mode. All the cameras are capable of capturing Dolby Vision HDR footage. On the front, it offers a 32-megapixel OmniVision OV32B40 camera for selfies, housed in a center punch hole design. The device is equipped with AISP 2.0, capable of processing up to 4.3 billion pixels per second for dynamic photo sharing on popular social platforms. The Xiaomi 15 is powered by a 5,400 mAh battery, supporting 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless fast charging. It also introduces 30 watts magnetic wireless charging. The device features Goodix Technology's ultrasonic fingerprint recognition for fast, glare-free unlocking, even with wet hands. It has an aviation-grade unibody aluminum frame with a 4-curve wraparound design, ensuring a comfortable grip. There's 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC and infrared remote control. There's no headphone jack, but there are stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and both high-res audio and high-res audio wireless certifications. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.